Mame Mao Akwaba and Faumbra Gansem TVGH so wofreme Ajoa searching.
See. Now kura machines in Niamebia. This time no obien to me we are benmu. This is what they said. This is what Tim Ken said. The catch was the same team no. Senye obia abro bonyono ne trimode woni trimwa. You will think twice and you never follow that team. I'm very serious about this. Okay? We live in a place or we live together as one family. Then we say wakote team bia makwa fefa machines ne gadgets ne ade aba enu nti obia ntumi wi abanimu aye hu dede e kire u dane ho wiami o ene ye wiami o ena fair ena me prefer ena me prefer ena me prefer ena fairness abane yan to you wo a wo se wo machines ne akutrement ya ye di besim wiamu anu no wo mbo wo gina kire kamu se ye wiam Mpanyifo ka asembi na ye no kore so wo mo a onam nkran wo beti wo julo start bono de oko ojulo no start bono because ono ne kronfo no ebi na Kennedy ne ono camp no eye no na nini na ne se onim se onwini me ka kire mu ne plane onim se onwini and until every day be new cases. Ye ni ano mbeka kire ye say Bawumia kofa 50 macho men. I'm saying kofa we yankasa nyansa na ebi ni ye 3. I'm sorry. I don't want to be so disrespectful, but most of the Kennedy people no oma agene no e wo low. Ya koto aba e wo 276 constituencies. Na ye per macho man for the oma ye 50 pe. Let it make sense to you. Frederick Frimpong Bawumia pese or di katashini gidi ba or confirm me 50 pe. Now can 50 people even hold one constituency? But ya can't tell say Bawumia confirm 50 men. Some what they be born or the be they do so or they ba be cause so ade MPP ni wo ma me wo abosom nkron ya ma wanu fusuo wo je san kwase asem ni di. How? Eba saying Onipa na ono waka the camera mu open. So no the our boys onipa. Our guys, me one who text messages. Me and some street boys am ni omo wi adwuma. Wa contract you mo say e beduru say ye sabi omo kokan ya. Omo nkoya gidigidi wo ba bia omo gidi se Bawumia be wi ni. I have the text here. Me the big tremo, me kind big tremo. As we speak today, Canada, Japan, can USA for on their platform. They are plotting a documentary and all this nonsense. Omo the answer, omo the be good doctor who fi. That they be a mekatro say nyansa e friend nyansa no say who nyansa be bra udani Jimmy for. Utie. Because I didn't know how say would you go Bawumia who fi no. And no one na what they are cripple and crop na was say when you are den eba beko challenge. The question will be when you sell all your things, you sell all your arsenals, when you sell all your plans of your house to the outside place, how are you going to be able to stand? One more did Kennedy a chigidi na bebre nim papa no. Yeah, no. Ya bro ya papa to be able to stand. One more did Kennedy a chigidi na bebre nim papa no. Yeah, no. Ya bro ya papa ya sum because of Kennedy Japan. Ebra na ya ne Kevin tell atia gina Marie Buadu ma atia gina before no matter. No matter no cry no politics but no memupo. Or born in papa bi. Into your name what some of us has gone through for Kennedy Japan. Nkadache Kennedy anka wudi ni sie. Sa wodona. Nanka baby a ochia no. Matsenetene nkakra kra ntie nuru brebi no na papa na ayeden papa na ni ada hokle. Nyanso minim de amunya wom. Anything Kennedy Japan says, his people will come and defend it, even if they don't understand. And they always end up disgracing themselves. Always. Debia, one with the kuku ya no make go when you say. Adena make us. Miniano. Upon all the Aya Papa Kennedy in Crow 4 years near the idea of swinging. We are still one party. Kennedy wants to lead MPP. But now someone can say, Omo party no, Omo Didier Jam, Omo party no. Mesremu enyado, mesremu konto. Adia menka ho no, me yeden be di sa ade nanim. Me ba mutie. Adia menka ho. Party we omo menka ho. Eye den na me san se party na menka ho no. Yampam omo ka party no nim firim. Na me se menka ho no, mo fa me meye sebe flag bearer. Me akwesi nyansa ni mu mame. Na Tim Kennedy didn't say almost say MPP. Oh yeah, I mean they are doing good. But believe me, they are hurting their own self. They are destroying their own future, but they don't know. Point in case. Ya digidi ni na ekoso. Ya waha. And you catch there, you say MPP mudie. So we are 10 years on some fata say ube lady MPP. Yes, we are Cremonia and say ube lady MPP. This is transparent fool. Obia sene ye kotwa baman as MPP flag bearer. Ye expectation of call all over Ghana. Tokro biemu. Any omako kasa achi vote abre. Now catch me say mimi free man prugu. Mimi free wale. Me free voter region. Me free a minority group. And ultimately, say me dia enye ye. However, me a can need the me winning to what 10 year boy na brabe to abama me. One beto sa abana ma. Mama ye nyene. Dem class sem na ye no MPP for same class sem na ye no mama ye nyene. So catch me say me I beni me pepe nino me ni chafa or partner. What the fuck are you doing telling me to come and vote for you? That's what I want B4 to answer. B4 unmute yourself. After the medu so. What way do you need just accounts to win election in Ghana? B4 kasa yetiu. Me be a question. Me say, do you just need accounts to win an election? A president, you will need parliament in order to get your ideas going. Enti obi a ono person be president to me jina say MPP I want support me be a member shoulder member lose seat. At there, sabi your stronghold Kumasi Asante region say Chairman Woon to me would deliver Asante for us to see. Na ampa yakoto aba. Na obi etua losing bonuses. Yes, you said it 2 years. For MPP to lose MPs and to lose votes. And Uncle Dante. Yaba 2025. Yako 2026. The idea about 2028. At least Anya Shekrano. Esesa nkakasa no esesa kakra. But said the subain to say insane no untumi fancy. The obeye bia subain ni be pie. And until every opportunity, every aspirant benyano, as I saw they done where wiki yemo yawaha and ya Papa Kennedy eko didi Bawumia tempo to Bawumia yenetwe Bawumia starting the campaign money dinda. Then so unfortunately the other camps are not attractive if they don't add Bawumia to their speech. That's what I see. Say week way obi person trend there. I just saw can be bit tray. Na mama me mama asem bia esi here. we are for Ken platform US so. Almost started some kwasi ade we. Na me be ka kire. Almost say that edidi atem na ye didi Dr. Bawumia no. Dia na omo camp ne pe no omo anya, and that was publicity for Honorable Ken. I was saying be a good minute in 50 be a team in seminal. Wycliffe, I was so dumbfounded. Almost say did the attempt no about Boama getting to the last ending of a Kennedy near Babonting. And for them, it is not whether it was right or was wrong, so long as they are getting publicity, whether good or bad, they are okay with the result of it. Yes. These are MPP people, as they want us to believe. Omokoye filing for nomination. Samokaya. Sadano ye papa Ken nipa ba ye kama ni nim so we di ankapape kokasa. Onya opportunity se onfan ton ho no. Odidi atem more, e double down more. Ke kan samu ana enim ni de wo mu ni na okeka ni na fry. Eno nti ne nomination okọ filing ye no. News say to me ba abonten. Nkrofo fa ya ne se ne tantrums a okototo ye edemane Dr. Bawumia. Eno nkoda nchen. Ye ni na ye wa ha. Ena President Kufuor ye ni na ye papa. Efre aspirant ni na ko ni fie. No se there be ye abusua baako. Intimoma ye ni na ye mpe kwan a ye de be ye adwuma. Na ansa na ye beto aso kra no. Na munim se Orempo mu de munim. Tim Ken. Omo be ye press statement kwesi kwa ati num ni na aka ho say. Omo ati anti-Reagan committee. Na omo kura machines ni niam bia. This time no obien to me we are benmu. This is what they said. This is what Tim Ken said. Me catch was the same team no one. Senye obia abro. Bonyono ne trimodin woni trimu a. You will think twice and you never follow that team. I'm very serious about this. Okay? We live in a place, or we live together as one family. Then, we say, wakwati team bia, makwafefa machines, ne gadgets, ne adea ba, enunti obien to me we are benemu. Aye, who did it? True dane ho riamio ene riamio ena fair ena me prefer ena me prefer ena me prefer ena fairness abane yan to you wo a wo se wo machines ne accoutrement ya ye di be sim wiamu ano no wo mbo wo gina kire kamu se ye wiam empanifo ka asembi na ye no kore so wo mo a onam nkran wo beti wo julo start bono de oko ojulo no start bono. Because on only cron for no. Ebi na Kennedy ne ono camp no eye no. Na nini na ne say. Onim se on wini. Me catch them ne plane. Onim se on wini. And unti every day be new cases. Ye ni anombe catch ye say. Bawumia kofa 50 macho me na me sim krofo we yankasa nyansa na ebi ni ye 3 I'm sorry. I don't want to be so disrespectful, but most of the Kennedy people know, Oma Jeneno, e wo low. Ya kotu aba, e wo 276 constituencies. Now ya per macho man for the Oma ya 50 pe. Let it make sense to you. Frederick Frempong, Bawumia per se, or di katashini gidi ba, or confirm me 50 pe. Now can 50 people even hold one constituency? But you can't tell say Bawumia for 50 men. Some of the bon or the be de do so or the babe cause so ade MPP ni a wo ma me wo abosom nkron ya ma wa nufusuo wo de sankwase asem ni di ha
nkofo ni bi di nkomo no. The idea was anya say Bawumia entimi enje power just like that. But I didn't woman say obi ejija obi most na me no mudi nkomo no koma asem from me say obi edidi agya obi nti no like on person ken eba nti that way no hwa ase ehi bi ana ya odie bi wo bi mu na behwe se no musika sana o manto abampo ama Bawumia because omodi otai bi kura so me get that me video sa me ya me din ka me ka kire mo say ken call for a omatimi ayi o manim say amri no last year ba eto ye no omantimi ani o manim because na pipi o power nti omu no mo hyase a na omanto aba no bi sankofo ye mapagya mo hin omanto aba aye mo wanwa me si nyansa nyame ne de ma nyansa ubetimi atua de wonya nyansa da me ka kire mo say ken kofo we mu say no nyina anto aba because based on dem mo ye but anda me ko me no mudi nkomo me hu makoma me say aba no manto bi but woni ma ha na nyansa na wo so wo ka kire obi say ebi a delegate ebi manya sika bi manya sika ne ade abusa say sika na obi anya no eye hwan ene koso da problem Dr. Bawumia no bechi scan eno de ma na Dr. Bawumia no ono no oyeden na even though Bawumia nim mo hyehyeye say we na yesi wa we na yesi wa enti na kire say mo ankasa constituency na mo ho no na police station na mo ho no mo ankasa mo na mo yesa na ma no enti den na wo de ho so mo ko Bawumia now mama ka say mi san kire mo say mo delegate no mo bebira adwene so mo delegate no mo bebira adwene ofo mo nim say mo delegate no kura sa ka ho na MPP lusu power aya mo se Bawumia no delegate na mo koji TV no mo pagya kosoro yesaka TV o we koye sei na yesaka we o aya mamiska yese mo yesa na ma no na etwa picture bi kire ye mo say se obi akokoji ska asana wono abe delegate as delegate for the omo yeni pasere yen nyine kogina we mo obi ato aba 111 dia se delegate na nyeska dia ana yen nkoto aba no do me de me koto aba because me tinkisa because any obi na hwe obi any obi na sebi o ye kan say obi push na sana wa ya ade but ade na mo ye no na airtime because wo ji ade na opagya kosoro ene ya mayesi na mo de na mo ye no sebi mo nya ni panche obi awo e MPP no de sa kwanya na monya mo ye delegate enti se we ba hona eni ma bi kosoro na se mo demand more dey picture na mo ka kire nkofo na wo ase ne se o mo susu en demand enti e ba se obi ti ba bi kora ka se koto aba wo se me de me pesika sa nyansa we say you ano na delegate no da be na delegate sa ne ma we ba mo trim I was a delegate in most Nankasa, Etrasi, Mo. I was a delegate in Maybe Pamu. They are not qualified for a delegate. What kind of sir? I didn't know Mrs. Sheba no to first be a delegate. I think it's a delegate in the Brad of home. And me kind of crunch no delegate, you know, me say based on command meeting. It tells me say delegate in the Brad of home. No wonder say a nipa who Timmy General a DNPP party in that time. Partner your modern ayeken would the partner tem a cassette party no party no a free partner boss no a nipa ye delegate mo motina MPP mo ni books be ma ready for MPP mo nim MPP values mo nim bibia wo constituency and a polling station so mo bebra ko di Kennedy because mo adwene ye mo say ebi ma didi agam we ni adwene agam tirim me say me oh sa ni ma we mu say sa go fo we na Ghana de hwan Charlie